Hi, welcome to my online EMAT classes. In this video, we are going to discuss how to find a cube of a number. Let us consider the formula first. So, using this process, cube of a number. Here the formula was let n be any number and we need to calculate the n cube, which was the cube of that number. And the formula we are going to use is n plus 2k slash 3k square slash k cube. So where k is deviation from the base, So that means number minus base. It is simply written as n minus b. Okay. So let us discuss with an example. Let us consider the example. Let us take some simple example. 11 cube, because we can calculate any numbers cube, but the process will be it take time, so that's I'm using simple numbers. So let's calculate 11 cube, and everyone knows that 11 cube will be 1331. So we will check with this procedure, is it correct or not. Okay. So number n will be here 11 and k will be deviation, number minus base will be 10. It has only 1 0, that means this subpartitions will have only single digits. Okay. So k will be 1 and n will be 11. So again write down the formula for 11 cube. N plus 2k slash, it has only single digit, remember, and this one also having same single digit. If some other more digits exist, then you have to carry forward it to the next step. And here write down 3k square and here k cube. And k, you know, it was 1 and n will be 11. So 11 plus 2 into 1 slash 3 into 1 square slash 1 cube. So that means 11 plus 2 is how much? 13. 3 into 1 and it's a single digit number. Write down 3. 1 cube is also single digit number 1. Therefore, we have the result 1331. So that is the answer. Let us consider one more example. So 101 whole cube. Here the base was 100. Number n will be 101. So k will be n minus b. That is 101 minus 100. So that is equals to 1. K will be 1. Write down the formula. And remember, the base has 2 zeros. So in the partitions, the digits will be 2-digit numbers. So write down the first step will be n plus 2k. And second step will be 3k square. And third step will be k cube. And it's a 2-digit number, and this one is also a 2-digit number. Fine. Now n plus 2k means 101 plus 2 into k is how much? Only 1. And 3 into k is only 1, 3k square. And k cube means, you know, it is only 1 cube. So therefore 101 plus 2, it is nothing but 103 slash 3 into 1 square, it's a 3 only, but it's a 2-digit number. So you have to write as a 2-digit number as 03. And 1 cube means, you know, 1 only. And this one will be also a 2-digit number. So write down 01. Therefore, now the answer is 1030301. So that's the answer. We will discuss one more example. Let us consider 96 cube is how much? So 96 cube means the base will be 100, and the number will be 96. So the value of k will be n minus b. That means 96 minus 100, which is minus 4. So first write down the formula: n plus 2k slash 3k square slash k cube. And remember, each is a 2-digit number. Okay? Because the base is 100. So now n is 96 plus 2 into here k is negative. Don't worry about that. We will use Venkulum procedure. So 3 into, write down minus 4 because k is minus 4 whole square, and minus 4 whole cube. So therefore 96, 2 into minus 4, which is minus 8, 3 into minus 4 whole square. You know, minus a square will be plus, 4 square is 16, 3s are 48, and minus 4 whole cube, that means minus 64. Now 96 minus 8 is 88 slash 48, and use Venkulum technique. That means all from 9, last from 10. So if you subtract 4 from 10, the result will be 6. 6 from 9, it will be 3. And decrease 1 unit from the before digit. So now the answer is 88, 47, 36. Okay. So that's it. In this way, you can find out the any numbers cube in a short time. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe this channel and give a like and enable your notification to all. Please share it. Thanks in advance.